Hi guys, my name is Deepshika and in today's video I am going to review a lipstick from K Beauty. This is what the product looks like. It contains 1.8 gram product and this retails for 799 rupees. Okay, so this is how the lipstick looks like. The packaging on this one is very simple and minimalist, like बहुत ही सिंपल है and this looks super classy. It comes with a very simple plastic packaging like this. It has a white lid that clicks shut which makes it nice and secure. The packaging is of twist upside like so. Let's apply this. Okay, so before that I'm going to tell you the shade of this lipstick. So the shade is written on the lipstick only and that is Matteinee. So I have applied it and this is how the shade looks on me. This looks so beautiful. I love this shade. This easily glides on my lips and you won't feel uncomfortable after applying this. This is super lightweight. This lipstick has very beautiful powder matte finish. It is infused with chamomile and marula oil. This lipstick claims that it is long lasting, rich matte finish, and this is 100% waterproof, sweat proof. And you know what I really like about this range is that it comes with 24 different shades. Yes, you heard it right, it has 24 different shades, that is for every skin color. It definitely has a lightweight and easy applying formula. It is very long lasting, but if you eat or drink something you might need to apply a second coat. This product is travel friendly, so you can throw it in your bag and carry it with you. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the notification bell icon. Bye.